Good morning, everybody. Today I am going to do a few things, and one of them is attempt to drive my station wagon 70 miles to my in-laws' house. As you know, my father-in-law has passed away. He had a shop, and my mother-in-law is allowing me to use it. So I got to make sure that the station wagon is roadworthy after it sat for a while, and I'm going to do that, check oil, fluids, air up the tires, and then, I'll drive it over there, and it's the first step to starting that project. So I'm going to do that, and then if you find that interesting, stick around. Here's the wagon, and as you know, I haven't done much with it. It's been sitting here for a long time, and it's time to start doing something with it. So today, I'm not going to put the dash on. The dash is going to have to continue riding in the back seat. Today I am going to get it started, make sure that it is relatively safe to drive, and then we're going to drive it over to my mother-in-law's to put it in the shop so we can start thinking about working on this baby. So it's about to become alive again, thank God. It's pretty amazing that the battery isn't 100% dead. It's been sitting here since I think I did like a cold start video on it like 6 months ago. So I haven't done anything with it. I've been sort of hectic. So let me see if I can get this puppy fired up. Okay, I haven't hooked up the jumper cables. I haven't charged the battery. I'm gonna see if it'll actually turn over, but I know there's no fuel up here. So I got some nasty gas. I'm gonna put a little nasty gas in there and some starter fluid. See if we can make any magic here. I don't know. Let's see what happens here. Wish me luck. Well, I got it running. It just needed to get some gas up to the carb. We'll let it run for a little bit, then I'm going to put air in the tires, and then we're going to take it up to the gas station, fill it up, and then we'll let it run for a little bit more, charge out the battery some more since I pretty much killed it, and then we'll go from there. So stick around for the adventure continuing. Well, here I'm dead in the middle of the road. Fucker died on me, so I'm waiting for the jump box to get here. So I guess the main thing you should do is let it idle a little bit longer. Even though I went and got gas, I was driving home and it died on me. So today's adventure died an early death. I didn't film it, but the police came and helped me push the son of a bitch off the road. So now I'm waiting for the wrecker. I'm gonna take it and get it towed probably to my house, and then figure out what needs to happen. And I'm hoping that the battery just totally died, because I used a jump pack to pull it. Well, here's the wrecker now. So station wagon.